areas where we can intensify our engagement and cooperation.
Apisa mag Duol mochune yiero pachoka IEBC notawo yiero mag nyithi skul e gwenge ma Baringo kaka yo mar puonjo nyithindo e wi yiero. Nyithi skul primar ma AIC Visa Oshwal ne oyiero jotendgi mana kaka itimoga e yiero maduong' ma pachoka, kama jogo ombulu 1,600 notimo yiero bang' thuolo mar kampen. IEBC nopuonjo nyithindogo kaka iyiero, kaka igolo duoko. Jotelo nego kaw duoko mag yiero miyo ji demokrasia ma pachoka e kinda jok matindo. IEBC pod chano madhi nyime kod chenro ma kamano e gwenge mamoko ma Thurka.
I want to take this opportunity to thank all of you. As we had said during the nomination day, we will fulfill our manifesto and our values as the leaders of the Republic of AIC Visa Oshwal.
We are demonstrating to the learners that they have a democratic right to democracy. In that case, given the opportunity, given chance to do an election and elect their leaders. The way we have seen today, they have done it perfectly as far as all the provisions are required. We congratulate the team elected ready to serve this school of AIC Visa Oshwal.
You can now understand how the voting process go on. You have seen how a ballot paper look like. You have seen how a ballot box look like. You have seen how a booth look like. And also, some of you had an opportunity to see what do we mean by a rejected ballot, and also